What's up, everybody? It's JW. So today we are going to have a video on how to prepare the 4 kilogram Devil Forge. This is brand new. It has not been treated yet. It is the refractory wool one, so you can see it's not been treated. We do have this powder that it comes with, refractory coating Rigidizer for a ceramic fiber blanket. So that's what this is. Now, it has instructions on it. So what we have is a scale, something to mix it in, something to mix it with, and something to apply it. This actually comes with this little brush, so pretty neat. So here we go. So the instructions say 300 grams of Rigidizer, which is the powder, which in theory should be the whole box or the whole bag, and then it says 210 milliliters of water, so which is 200 grams. So 300 grams, 210 grams, in order to make it absolute. Stir it for 15 minutes. So here we go. We are going to pour in the water first up to 210, and 209. Up it. $210. There we go. So, and then we will pour this powder in there, and then we will get to mixing. So, here we go. So it's all mixed up. It's been forever and a day. 15 minutes of mixing is a long time, but pretty much just there's no lumps in it. It actually looks like a Wendy's Frosty. I don't recommend trying it, but let's see. We'll try to get some of this out of here off the spoon, and then I have my paintbrush to get the rest. So here we go. So there we go. We have it all painted up. All of it is spread around. You can kind of see in there. Got all the sides. Pretty good. We did the top. Now all this stuff that is on the side, obviously, is water soluble, so you can just, rinse it off before it dries, of course. It takes 24 hours to dry. At least that's what the instructions say. So what I'll do is I'll clean this up as good as I can, and then we'll come back tomorrow and we will have our first firing. So stay tuned for that. Of course, you will stay tuned because it's going to be in the same video. But either way, so I'll get this cleaned up and then I'll get it pushed off to the side. And then we will see tomorrow the first firing and how it looks when it is done. So right now you can kind of see what color it is. And then we will come back tomorrow and revisit it. So we'll see you in a minute. So here we are back. It's actually 2 days later because the humidity down here must have messed with it a little bit. So it did take a lot longer to dry. But here we are. We did help it out a little bit with the help of the torch. But we put the fire brick down in the bottom. And we are ready for the first firing. Now I did take the rest of that wool and wrap it around. And then take some aluminum foil, wrap it around there. That may or may not stay there. But either way, let's get this firing underway and we'll see what happens. Always remember, safety first. Let's go. Alright, so there we go. We got it shut off. We did let it get up to temperature. And then now we are going to let it cool down on its own. So we've shut off the valve, closed the choke, and turned off the gas pressure. So we're going to let it cool down. And then the next step will be to prepare the crucibles and get them ready to start melting. So we will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe as always.